Hello everyone, Sister Peter Thomas, and we've been studying our polynomial curves in our algebra unit. I'm going to be giving you a sample student presentation of what I might present about my work on graphing the golden arches. So for my original image, I chose McDonald's logo, something we all like to see when we're hungry driving down the road, and I wanted to try and find a good graph to mimic this image. So first I looked at my end behavior. We see the two ends are going in the same direction. So that tells us that our degree is even. And we see that the right side is going in the downward direction, so we know we need a negative leading coefficient. If the right side was going up, we'd need a positive leading coefficient. Next, we need to set some axes. So we could set these a lot of places. I decided to set them in a place I thought would be convenient. So I put the origin right in the middle of the image and at the base of the golden arches, and I've set them so that 2 units to the right and 2 units to the left fall on where the arches cross. Now we need to find our factors. So if we look to the leftmost x-intercept, we see x equals -2. That tells us that x plus 2 is a factor. In the middle, we have the origin x equals 0, so x is a factor. And x equals 2, so x minus 2 is a factor. So when we string those factors together and expand them out, so far we have y equals x to the third minus 4x. Now we need to tweak this a little bit. So we have what we got from our factors. Now we already knew we needed a negative leading coefficient from that downward right side end behavior. So we're going to multiply by -1. We get y equals negative x to the third plus 4x. We also knew from the end behavior being the same on both sides that we need an even degree. So we're going to multiply by another x to raise the exponent. And we're going to get y equals x to the fourth plus 4x squared. Well, let's see what that gives us. I used fooplot.com to graph that equation, y equals x to the fourth plus 4x squared. And here we have something that looks pretty good. I think we've done all of our basic steps, and we have a graph that looks right. Now I've superimposed my graph over the original image, and I rather like what I've gotten. It's a good mimicking of McDonald's logo. So best of luck with your presentations as well. Let's get curving.